Trucks are the ultimate workhorses of the auto world, built to last and ready to tackle the toughest jobs, right? Well, not always. Some trucks might look powerful and rugged, but under the hood, they're hiding secrets that reveal themselves after 60,000 miles. Today, we're counting down the 10 least reliable trucks that can go from tough to troublesome faster than you'd expect. From mysterious engine failures to persistent transmission issues, we're exposing the truth about these trucks and the background stories that might just explain why they didn't live up to expectations. At number 10, we have the Chevrolet Colorado. Was introduced in 2003 as Chevrolet's mid-size pickup, designed to offer a more versatile alternative to its larger sibling, the Silverado. It was aimed at drivers who needed the functionality of a truck without the bulk, targeting city dwellers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Initially, the Colorado filled a gap left by the Chevy S10 and quickly gained a reputation as a practical, reasonably priced option with off-road capability. Despite its popularity, the Colorado has developed a reputation for reliability issues, especially with the 2015 to 2018 models. The primary complaints revolve around the transmission and engine. Transmission problems, such as rough shifting, delayed engagement, and even complete failure, commonly start showing up around the 60,000-mile mark. Many drivers also report engine stalling, particularly in cold weather, and frequent AC compressor failures that are costly to repair. These issues are a good enough reasons to look elsewhere if you want a dependable truck that will last well beyond the 60,000 miles figure. Next, at number 9, is the Nissan Titan. When Nissan launched the Titan in 2004, it boldly aimed to compete with American-made giants like Ford and Chevy. Designed in California with a powerful V8 engine, Nissan wanted it to be the perfect American full-size truck. The Nissan Titan, while known for its power and comfort, has faced recurring reliability issues that have held it back from dominating the full-size truck market. Notably, models from 2016 to 2018 are prone to transmission problems, including slipping and rough shifting, often appearing around the 60,000-mile mark. Earlier models also struggled with brake system failures, with frequent reports of premature brake wear and rotor warping. Additionally, Titans from 2017 to 2019 have experienced electrical and fuel system issues that lead to stalling and various sensor malfunctions. These reliability concerns have created a mixed reputation for the Titan, making it a capable but sometimes costly choice for long-term ownership. Nissan has made changes, but early reliability issues left a dent in its reputation, particularly in a market that demands dependability. At number 8, we have the beloved Ford Ranger. A compact truck that gained a loyal following since its debut in the early 80s, the Ranger was known for its rugged simplicity. When Ford reintroduced the Ranger in 2019, it came packed with modern features and high hopes. However, the Ford Ranger is not without its problems. Around 60,000 miles, Ford Ranger owners commonly report transmission issues like rough shifting, as well as wear in suspension and steering components, especially with heavy use. Brake pads and rotors often need replacement, and catalytic converter or exhaust issues may arise, affecting performance. In EcoBoost models, turbocharger problems like rough idling and power loss can occur. Additionally, cooling system parts like hoses and the water pump may start to wear, and electrical issues with sensors and infotainment glitches are occasionally reported. Regular maintenance helps mitigate these concerns for a more reliable experience. While the Ranger's history holds a lot of nostalgic love, the latest models have struggled to recapture its former glory. Number 7 brings us to the Toyota Tundra. Known for reliability, Toyota shocked its fan base with the Tundra's issues. Launched in 2000, Toyota's mission was clear: to create a full-size truck that could compete with America's best. The Tundra was groundbreaking in some ways, being the first full-size pickup from a Japanese automaker to be built entirely in the US, specifically at Toyota's plant in Indiana and later Texas. It featured a smooth V8 engine, excellent for towing, and a design that made it a solid choice for both work and recreation. Over the years, Toyota has given the Tundra a series of updates, focusing on comfort, power, and off-road capabilities to keep it relevant in a very competitive market. Despite Toyota's reputation for reliability, the Tundra hasn't been without issues. Some of its models, particularly those from 2007 to 2013, developed engine oil leaks, transmission issues, and problems with rust on the frame. This surprised many Toyota fans, as these issues cropped up around the 60,000-mile mark, well before what's typically expected of a Toyota. The Tundra is still respected for its powerful V8 engines and reputation for toughness, but it faces intense competition from its American counterparts. At number 6, the the GMC Canyon. Positioned as a more premium sibling to the Chevy Colorado, GMC aimed to deliver a mid-sized truck that combined utility with a touch of luxury. First launched in 2004, the Canyon was refreshed in 2015 with a focus on upscale interiors and advanced features. The GMC Canyon, while a capable and reliable truck, can experience some common issues around the 60,000-mile mark. One of the most frequent problems reported by owners is a malfunctioning heating, ventilation, and air conditioning or HVAC blower motor resistor, which can cause inconsistent or complete loss of airflow. Additionally, worn-out valve seats can lead to engine misfires and decreased performance. Other potential issues include a faulty fuel level sensor, a malfunctioning check engine light due to a gas cap problem, and a failing CD player. For a truck that was supposed to be the premium option, these issues feel like a letdown to Canyon owners who expected a more dependable ride. At number 5, we have the Ram 1500. Once Dodge's rugged no-frills truck, the Ram 1500 evolved into a comfortable, high-performance vehicle with a unique coil spring rear suspension for a smoother ride. However, the Ram 1500 isn't without its issues. Models from around 2014 to 2017 have experienced Hemi engine problems, with reports of oil leaks and engine knocking surfacing after around 60,000 miles. There have also been issues with transmissions and electrical components, particularly in models with advanced infotainment systems. These problems can be costly to fix, leaving some buyers surprised given the truck's premium branding. In recent years, Ram has worked to improve reliability, and the 1500 continues to evolve with impressive features like the e-torque mild hybrid system and advanced driver assistance options. However, these issues have left a sour taste for truck enthusiasts, making people think twice before investing their hard-earned cash in these vehicles. Coming in at number 4, the Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is one of the most popular full-size pickup trucks in America and has been a cornerstone of Chevrolet's lineup since its debut in 1999. Known for its versatility, power, and sheer capability, the Silverado 1500 has long been marketed as the dependable, go-anywhere, do-anything truck built for work and family life alike. But for all its popularity, reliability issues have plagued many models, especially 2014 to 2018 versions. Common problems include steering failure, brake issues, and engine trouble. Despite its image as a workhorse, the Silverado's history of breakdowns around 60,000 miles makes it one of the more expensive trucks to maintain. While some improvements have been made in newer models, it's left a lasting impression on owners who expected Chevy's best. At number 3 is the Ford F-150, America's best-selling truck for over 4 decades. Known for its power and resilience, Ford has worked tirelessly to maintain the F-150's top spot. The F-150 comes in a variety of configurations, including regular cab, extended cab, and crew cab, as well as various bed lengths. It offers a wide range of engine options, including powerful V8s and fuel-efficient EcoBoost engines, but recent models from 2015 to 2018 have suffered from serious transmission and engine issues that show up by 60,000 miles, including gear slipping and engine misfires. For a truck with such a strong reputation, the F-150's track record has disappointed some of its most loyal fans. Ford has tried to address these issues, but it's still a gamble for many buyers. Coming in at number 2, the Honda Ridgeline. When Honda introduced this unibody truck in 2005, it was a unique entry into the truck market with a car-like ride and fuel efficiency. But it's this unibody construction that also makes it susceptible to drivetrain and suspension failures after just a few years of rugged use. For those who expect a truck to handle heavy loads, the Ridgeline often disappoints by 60,000 miles with issues that aren't cheap to fix. One of the most frequently reported problems is transmission-related. Some owners have experienced harsh shifting, delayed engagement, and difficulty shifting into specific gears. Additionally, electrical issues like malfunctioning sensors and faulty infotainment systems can occur. It's important to note that these issues are not universal, and many Ridgeline owners have had positive experiences. And finally, at number 1, the Jeep Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is a mid-size pickup truck that made its highly anticipated return to the market in 2020, reviving the nameplate that was originally used on Jeep's trucks from the late 1960s to the early 1990s. Designed to combine Jeep's legendary off-road capability with the practicality of a pickup, the Gladiator quickly captured the attention of enthusiasts and adventurers alike. While the Jeep Gladiator offers impressive off-road capability, it has faced some reliability concerns, particularly around the 60,000-mile mark. Some owners have reported engine troubles, drivetrain issues, and transmission failures, which has tarnished the Gladiator's reputation for durability. However, it's important to note that individual experiences may vary, and Jeep has addressed some of these issues through recalls and software updates. And there you have it, 10 trucks that might leave you with hefty repair bills after just a few years. Trucks are supposed to be durable, built to handle everything life throws at them. But these models, while loved for their features or history, reveal costly secrets down the road. Make sure to research before you buy and share your truck stories in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more eye-opening vehicle insights.